Are you dealing with unsightly holes or cracks in your walls? Look no further than Mr. Handyman for top-notch drywall repair services in Oklahoma City. Our team of experienced professionals has the skills and knowledge necessary to fix any drywall issue, big or small. We take pride in our workmanship and attention to detail, ensuring that your walls will look as good as new in no time. And the best part? We're offering a $25 discount when you avail our drywall repair services. So don't wait any longer. Call Mr. Handyman today at 405-901-1433 and let us take care of all your drywall repair needs. Mr. Handyman, you can have peace of mind knowing that your walls are in good hands. We're ready to help you transform your space and make it look flawless